Check out this Jeep 2018 Renegade Altitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic included, vinyl shift knob, 3.734 final drive ratio, quick order package 27L altitude included, engine 2.4L i4 multi-air transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic gloss black badging vinyl door trim panel gloss black instrument panel bezels gloss black rear fascia applique altitude package black accent stitching black daylight opening moldings exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, glacier metallic, black deluxe cloth high back bucket seats, engine, 2.4L i4 multi-air included, 3.734 final drive ratio engine oil cooler flex fuel vehicle zero evaporate emissions control system, turbocharged, front wheel drive and power